So after all my testing here, I've tried putting this in a lot of angles as best as I could. The consistent power that I was able to draw out of these panels was 30 watts, which for this weather, this not so powerful sun today, I think it's quite good. Definitely it would be better if the producer of this panel would tell you directly what to expect in a real life scenario like this. I think the producers in this case of solar panels are taking a bit of advantage of the customers, because nobody that buys this panel would really test it like I do to see exactly what power I can get out of this, yeah? And in their defense, they would always say that this 63 watts is in perfect condition, perfect alignment to the sun, and so on. But in a real world scenario where you would test this outside, this is what you can get. But still, to be able to have 30 watts, I think it's quite nice, because you can power with this 30 watts cameras, phones, tablets, consoles. 30 watt is actually half of the power of my MacBook Pro charger. And this 30 watts I can get even if I just lay flat this solar panel. So I think that's quite convenient. But yeah, if you get a smaller solar panel, don't expect much out of it. I would expect somewhere around 12 watts. I'm planning to also order the smaller 28 watt panel from BigBlue, and then we can compare, because I think that one is easier to hang on your backpack when you're traveling and maybe get a bit of power out of the sun. If we will have more sunny days here, I will try to get more ideal conditions for this panel to see if I can draw more power out of it. But for now, I think this is what we can comfortably get out of this 30 watts. And I'm quite confident for this size, you will not be able to get much more power from other brands as well. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, maybe a comment if you have some other question, and till the next time, have a good one.